OMG, so my video got cut off. But, like I was saying, I've got to repot some plants. And I don't know if you guys are interested, but I'm doing it barefoot because it's a dirty job. This is comfrey, by the way, which is a plant that heals the bone. Soldiers used to use it back in the day when they had broken bones. They would wrap a leaf around it and it would heal their bone. Ooh, lots of bugs under there. We're gonna call that protein. Alright guys, if you like, please subscribe or follow. And let me know if you like my plant videos. If you even like hearing my voice, or if you want me to stick to music. I'm not a hard person to please. Have a good day.